Hey everybody, this is Ms. Heather from the High School Counseling Office here with a very short webinar about how to complete a course change request for your courses this year. If you remember, the add drop request process went entirely online last year, which allowed us to be much more efficient, increase our accuracy, and allow you to complete this process at your convenience without coming to the counseling office, standing in a long line, writing in a book, etc. The process was much improved, and we're doing it again this year. The first step, everyone, is to check your email for a link to a Google form. You can press that blue button now. You'll be then taken to a short form which asks you for your email address, your first, middle, and last name, helping us differentiate between students with the same first and last name, your grade, and please complete the full course name that you would like to drop from your schedule, and add one or two choices, if applicable, of the courses that you would like to add. Most importantly is the reason or justification for your course change request. Remember that counselors take into account the full context of your schedule. What are the requirements of your diploma program? What are your university goals? And what is the capacity of that course to start with in the schedule? No course change request will be considered without this field filled in, and it provides more context for us. Please remember to hit the blue submit button when you are finished, and course change requests will be time-stamped and processed in the order in which they were received. Next, then, the counselors will contact you with a decision. If the answer is yes and the course change is possible, they will contact you via email and provide an updated matrix that you can find also in PowerSchool, and you will begin to follow that course schedule immediately once you receive it. Please follow the course schedule that is printed in PowerSchool until you have been contacted by counselors, as attendance will be taken and parents will be contacted for all students that have an unexcused absence every block of the day. If the answer is no, you will also receive an email with a reason why and the way that your course schedule will stand. Sometimes counselors do need to have an additional conversation, and in that moment you as well will be contacted and a meeting will be scheduled in which to move the conversation forward. Again, the good news is that you will not need to come into the counseling office to request a course change. Likely you will not need to come into the office to receive an answer. We're going to try to get you where you need to be as quickly as possible. Because our efficiency has really improved with the online system, add drop period is condensed to 1 week. That's all we need to get you into the right courses and to get you connected to the syllabus and staying up with the course at hand. So everybody, make sure that your course change requests are in within 1 week. Otherwise, your schedule will stand. We look forward to having everybody back on campus and looking forward to a great semester.